Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. I feel like I always say that I'm excited for every video, but I am really excited because if you guys saw my previous video, I did do like a little mini review slash tutorial using the new Norvina Volume 4 palette. And I didn't think I was gonna get the liners. I ended up getting them in the mail and I'm so excited. I want to do like a really fun look with these and I just want to play around with the liners. But then I also want to compare them to the Suva Beauty Hydra liners that I have. So I have these colors that are like almost the same, well, basically the same as Norvina Electric Cake liners. And I have these. The only color I don't have is the purple one. But I am going to try to swatch these next to the Norvina one so you guys can see the difference. Because a lot of these people are comparing it to the Suva Beauty. And I even compare them to the Suva Beauty because they look alike and then the color wise. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of swatch some of them so you guys can see. Guys, I am so excited. First of all, look how cool these is. They're like, they're not even magnetic. I thought they were going to be magnetic, but they're not. I do want to say that the Norvina cake liners has 2.3 grams and 0.0 ounces, 0.8 ounces, and the Suva Beauty ones have 10 grams and 0.35 ounces. So you guys get way more product with the Suva Beauty. So I'm gonna be putting the prices here for you guys so you guys can see and compare with ABH Norvina cake liners and the Suva Beauty Hydra liners so you guys can see the difference, and then like that you guys can see which ones you guys prefer. But I already have the Suva Beauty ones, so if you guys don't get these and already own the Suva Beauties, then you basically don't need these. But if you're a fan of ABH and Norvina, you can go ahead and grab these because these are gonna be really cute and the packaging is everything. I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching some. So this is the electric orange, opaque white, and electric purple. So it looks like this. I thought it was going to be like a little bit bigger, but they're not that big and they don't come off. They're really attached, so they're not magnetic. I think people are also comparing these to the cosmetics stacks because they were magnetic, but these are not like that. Like they look like that because when they're laying out like this, but you can't detach them at all. And the Melt Cosmetics stacks, you guys can. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch it, and this is the electric pink, electric yellow, and electric lime. So it looks like this. Super cute. These are water activated, so you guys did not know these are water activated. So you basically wet your brush and you go in, it basically activates it, so you can just go ahead and use that. I have my cup of water here, so I'm gonna go in with the brush. It's already kind of stained, this brush, so it's like pink but it's clean. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch some of these. We're gonna go in with the first stack. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch the white and the yellow. I'm gonna do the purple. I'm not gonna compare it to anything else that I have here because I don't have a purple liner. So we're gonna go ahead and wet the brush. I'm gonna go ahead, I already wet the brush. I'm gonna go in right here, and you can see how you're able to just kind of like wet that. Do a little line right here. That's the electric orange. So it's really nice and opaque. Now we're gonna go in with the Suva Beauty. This is called Acid Trip. We're gonna just compare it to this. Pretty sure other people have done this, but I wanted to do it myself. So we're gonna go in with this and wet that and use it right next to this. So as you guys can see, the Suva Beauty ones are a bit darker of an orange than the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you guys can see right away that the orange of this one is a bit more lighter and it has a bit more of a yellow, and this one's like a super orange, as you guys can see there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just wet the white one and swatch it right over here. Super white and nice. I like that. I like the white one a lot. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the Suva Beauty. This is the Space Panda, like that. And then swatch it right next to it. Like that. They basically look the same. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the next one. The next one, I'm just gonna wet the purple one just to kind of have it there because I want you guys to see the purple as well. I feel like everybody wants to see that one because it's a nice, it's like a really nice purple. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch it right next to the white. Right there. It looks really nice. I feel like depending on the consistency of the water, You could either put a lot and it's going to be super watery, or you can just kind of put a little bit and it's going to be a little bit more dense. The next one, we're going to have the electric pink, yellow, and lime. So we're going to go and swatch this. We're going to go in with the pink first. Swatch it right next to the purple. Super, super cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab, this is Scrunchy from Suva Beauty. We're going to go ahead and wet the brush a little and clean it, and then go in right next to this. That's not a good swatch. There you go. The colors kind of look the same. They don't look any different. I feel like the only one that looks a little bit different right now is the orange. I feel like the electric orange from Norvina is a bit more neon than the orange that I have from the Suva Beauty. So I just want to let you guys know that. Now we're going to go in with electric yellow. We're going to go ahead and wet this. We're going to go ahead and swatch that right there. It looks like that. I like that one. That looks super neon. Go ahead and swatch Suva Beauty Dance Party. And that one is going to be right here. Like that. They kind of look the same. I feel like they really, really do look the same. I mean, you guys are going to see it too. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. So now we're going to go ahead and do the green one. If you put a lot of water or something and you dip it, it does get like these little dents on it. So it's super creamy like that. So I just wanted to let you guys know, just in case you guys were like wondering if you guys do get yours. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it right over here. Oh, that's a really nice color. I like that. So far, I'm liking the colors from the Norvina one because I do see like it's a bit more neon. So now we're going to go in with the last one from the Suva Beauty that I have. And we're going to go ahead and wet it. And we're going to swatch it right next to that one. Like that. So they're really similar. The only one that I see a little bit different, it is the orange. I feel like the Norvina one, it is way more brighter. You guys just can't see it here, but in person, it looks like that. I am going to try to lower the light a little bit more so you guys can see the difference of what I mean. This one seems more neon-y than this one. This one's more like a true orange, and this one has a bit of a yellow to it. I don't know, it's weird, but it's super, super pretty. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this. Let me know what you guys think. So far, I'm loving all of them. I think they're amazing. I love the colors. I'm not disappointed, but now we're just gonna test it out on the eye. So let's just get fun now. I really just want to get in here and play because I just want to play with different textures and just different lines and just really get out there and creative. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of start here because I'm so excited. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get a brush, and I'm gonna basically kind of start playing with lines on my eye. We're gonna get really, really fun. I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a swish brush, so it's like a liner brush. So I'm gonna go in with that. I don't know what kind of look I'm trying to go for today, but let's just go in with the white and kind of start there. We're gonna use the white here and just kind of, let's just gonna go ahead and do a line. I'm gonna go with the flow, guys. I have not really a look planned, but I just kind of want to go with the flow. So we're gonna do that. Ooh, that is really nice, and I love the fact that it's so easy to play with. I do recommend buying some liners, like brushes. If you guys want to get some brushes, I would recommend going to Amazon and getting like nail art, because I am using some brushes like for painting and stuff, but I'm also have like those makeup ones that are thin, but the nail ones are really, really amazing, and it's so easy to work with. So I recommend that if you guys want some. Go ahead and just start here now. Super, super cute. Now, since I got a little bit of white going on and just kind of fun, we're gonna mix it up a bit. We're gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna be grabbing a little bit more of a brush here. This is like a different kind of brush style. This is just like a regular fluffy brush, but you can use that. So I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can get like different kind of texture with this. So we're gonna be going in with this, and I'm gonna go in with the orange and just kind of like stipple it there. Mix it in there. If you feel like you got too much water, I would recommend just kind of still packing it in there. So what you guys can do is just kind of go in there and just kind of start doing little spots. Ooh, that is really, really cute. Now what I want to do is I'm going to mix it in with a little bit of pink and just kind of play with this, because I mean I can do liners, but I feel like everyone's kind of doing that. So today I want to just do something different, and we're gonna just go in with the electric pink. I'm gonna go in and tap this in here, and we're gonna blend that in with the orange just to get a little bit more of a contrast going on. And showing you guys that you guys don't need the liners to kind of create a look with this. You can also use some brushes to add like really cool textures to this. Sometimes with these kind of stuff, you don't have to overthink about it. Just kind of like do it. Because if you overthink about it, then the look is not going to look as cool. You know, sometimes with this, you just have to go with the flow and just do it. Oh, that is looking really cool. I'm going to lower the light down a little bit so you guys can see that. That is looking so dope. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the green, but I want to do some line work with the green one. We're going to go in with this electric green. We're going to wet this. And this is called the lime one. So we're going to go in with that. I just want to pause a little bit. I heard that this girl in the comments on my YouTube, she told me to smell these because some people were saying that they had a specific smell. So we're going to just go ahead and smell these. Okay, I see what they mean. It does have like a distinctive smell. I can't point out exactly what it is. Yeah, I can't tell you guys what it is. It's really faint. Like if you have to guess from like 1 to 10, the smell is like a 3, to be honest. Like I have to really dig in there and smell it because I don't smell anything that much. So there is a smell to it, but nothing too crazy for you to worry about. I think these are still kind of fine to use. So don't worry about it, guys. Everything's fine. So for the look, I am loving the way it is. I just want to play with more and I want to add a little bit more. I kind of do want to add a little bit of green on the bottom and just kind of like wing it out. Maybe like this. That is so cute. And you guys, I'm just trying to have fun here. Nothing too serious. I love the way this is looking. I do want the white to stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to go in back with the white. And just try to get a little bit more of that white to come out a bit more. Right over here. And back here. I'm like obsessed with this. I know my look, looks crazy, but it's like so much fun to just kind of play there. The only one I need left is that yellow. I haven't got it in there, so I don't know if I kind of want to add the yellow a little bit on my lid. So what's what we're gonna do? We're gonna add the yellow there. Oh my god, this is looking so crazy, but so much fun. And what I like about them is that I don't feel like they're cracking, which happens to a lot of liners that are activated with water. Sometimes they kind of like crack a bit and you can kind of feel it, but I don't feel that with this, which I love so much. It is crazy, guys. I am obsessed so far. Like I'm like obsessed. So now what I kind of want to do is add a little bit of a flower down here and just kind of have fun. I'm going to kind of use the bottom of my brush that I was having here, and I'm going to go in with the orange right here. We're going to go in with orange. Just kind of tap that in there. It's going to give a little bit of orange to the back of the brush, and I'm going to make a little dot here. That is so cute. Now I'm going to kind of draw in a little bit of a flower, and I'm using like a really thin brush, and we're going to go in with white that I have here. We're going to go with the white one and just kind of draw like little petals of flowers because I think it's so cute. So I finished the other little flower off camera. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my lashes are on now. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lashes in Fashion. It's like one of my favorites. I am obsessed with them. So now what I want to do for my bottom lashes, I actually want to do them colored, and I want to be using the liners for that. So what I'm going to be using as a base, I'm going to go in with a Milk Makeup. This is their Kush Lash Primer, and I love to use this because I feel like it like gives it like a nice base for like a really bright liner, so it can go on top and you're gonna be able to see it. So I'm gonna be using this as a base, Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with these little spoolies that I used to use using my Suva Beauty ones, but I'm going to be using the same ones for the Anastasia one, and it's the same color, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I kind of want to do the same kind of color story that I have going on here with the pink, yellow, and orange. I kind of want to do the same thing on my lashes. So we're going to start off with the orange. We're going to go wet it a little bit and kind of dig it in there. I'm just going to get some in there, and I'm going to start combing my lower lashes just a little bit to kind of coat these. I would say just be really, really careful and make sure it's not too watery and it does not get in your eye. The next color that I'm going to be using is the electric yellow. So I'm going to go in again and just kind of pat that in there. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. I'm basically just patting it in there like this. And we're going to be coating that right next to the orange one. The last one is going to be the pink one. So we're going to do the same thing, going with the pink and going with the electric pink and tapping it in there. We're going to be blending it right next to the yellow. Super cute and so easy to use, guys. It is so easy to use. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I actually recommend these for anybody that wants to buy it. I recommend it if you guys were actually looking forward to buying it. Now you guys see how I used it. I tried using it different kinds of ways for you guys. I just didn't want to do like basic liner. I feel like a lot of people that do get this in PR, they're gonna do some liners for you guys, so you guys want to check those videos out as well. But I love it. I just wanted to have something really, really fun and creative for you guys. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this look, or what do you guys even think of these electric cake liners. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I always say thank you because I'm forever ever grateful you guys are even watching this video even till the end. If you guys are not following me on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok now, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there. TikTok, I'm still kind of getting the hang of it. Don't judge me. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. It will mean a lot for me if you guys join my little family. And don't forget to hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.